Entre el dia de Sant Esteve i el dia dels Innocents hi ha el dia 27, que és un dia molt adient per blussejar, perquè entre els àpats pentagruèlics de Nadal i Sant Esteve i la innocentada del dia 28, que normalment s'allarga fins al Sant Esteve de l'any següent, hi ha abastament motius per fer blues. I precisament avui, aprofitant aquesta vinentuesa, faré un clàssic de Mr. Eddie Boyd, Mr. Willie Dixon, Third Degree, que també el fa aquell famós guitarrista dels fons abissals Eric Clapton. I'm accused of pippin' and I don't see a thing. I'm accused of betting and I couldn't even raise my hand. Bad luck. Bad luck is killing me. I can't stand no more, no more, no more. All this degree. Got me accused of murder and I never hurt a man. Got me accused of forgery and I couldn't even raise my hand. Like love. Bad luck is killing me. Yeah. I can't stand no more, no more, no more, no more, no more of this third degree. I'm accused of taxes and I ain't got a dime. Got accused of children, but none of them were mine. Bad luck. Bad luck is killing me. Yeah. I can't stand no more, no more, no more, no more on this third degree. Can't stand no more, no more, no more, no more. All this to degree. Oh, Charles.